No, it's less than that. You are using a below word or phrase. It's a lower phrase. If Nnamdi Kanu dies under Tinubu administration, Igbos are going to place Yoruba the way they place Fulani. That is going to generate two great, that is, opponents on African continent. It will be Igbo versus Yoruba this time around. The former civil war we fought in Nigeria was Hausa. Hausa was the topicality of the war. The game was Hausa, Igbo. Then Hausa carried Yoruba. You know Yoruba now. Yoruba joined Hausa because they are Muslims. But this time around, if Nnamdi Kanu dies under the watch of Tinubu administration, that he has finished. He has finished Yoruba and the Igbo relationship, and there must be a retaliation. No. What happened now is that actually Nigeria has expired and the whole Northerners are seeing it. Ango Abdullahi said it. The other man, yesterday, Hausa man said it. The whole world said it, and I have been saying it that 10 years ago, the agreement is gone. So I don't know the reason why anybody is saying that Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist or that he committed an offense when he has started to agitate for Biafra. Separation of Biafra is a sacrosanct thing. Yoruba wanted to stay. They should stay put. Nobody's arguing their own. Nobody's. I will be the last person who will say Yoruba man and say Yoruba man did me bad. Why? Because Yoruba man did not start
agitation
agitating for his Oduduwa. No, he wants to stay. Yoruba man must stay. The Igbo that is not partaking in the leadership of this country should go. So Tinubu is making a big mistake. You should forget about this Jagabanism. Even Nnamdi Kanu dies, man. We're not taking it easy anymore. Nnamdi Kanu is there for nothing as a result of injustice and the nonsense oppression under this administration. I'm telling you, Nnamdi Kanu won in the court during Buhari regime, and continuously within Tinubu regime, Nnamdi Kanu has been winning and winning, and the whole world is like, why is gentleman staying there? It's because of Yoruba hate. There are many Yoruba who don't hate Igbo, but what Tinubu is doing now, it has begun to look like that. So Tinubu could just face his politicking and politics, which is his good. The best politician in the world, releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu want to go. They couldn't stay here, they chop on our money.
But the guy has won all his cases in the court.
Tinubu is still holding him.
But no, you understand? So he's actually looking for trouble.
Actually, he's looking for trouble.
The IPOB people are saying that he's actually
Tinubu is actually looking for trouble.
Yes, and it's not going to be like 1967.
I'm telling you, I don't know the reason why she should not leave Nnamdi Kanu.
Nnamdi Kanu represents.
Nobody's cater for anything. Nobody's caring for whether I'm living in Lagos or in Ogun. No. This one now, this guy has won his cases. Leave this man to go. Face your Nigerian politics. Face your Nigerian whatever you people are doing in this contraption. Igbo man says, do that, no problem. If you want to make Obi your advice today, make him your advice. It concerns you and Obi. What matters now is allow Nnamdi Kanu to go. The court has said so. Allow Nnamdi Kanu to go. Let there be peace. We repeat again. If Nnamdi Kanu dies in this administration, is finished. Nobody's gonna take it easy again. We know that we enter.
It's not a threat. It's not going to be a child's play.
No. Tinubu is the one threatening the because Nnamdi Kanu is a free man. I don't know what Tinubu wants again from Igbo man. Tinubu appointed anyone with any juicy post in this position. Bajabi Amela, the late Lagwaja, the new Yoruba chief of army staff, the controller of custom, the controller of immigration, controller of prison, everything, minister of finance, blah, 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 everything we don't want. Let it be for his people. Allow that boy to go for peace to reign. You know, as I'm saying it now, that's what they are saying in America, everywhere all over the world. The Igbos in diaspora. Only that we are the spokespersons. We are the one that comes to the social media. We are the one that's saying it, commenting it on social media. That's why it seems so personal. Nothing is personal here. We are saying on behalf of the Igbos, Nnamdi Kanu should be what? Let go. Should be what? Be extricated from that cage, DSS cage. The guy is supposed to go his way. What else does Tinubu want again? Tinubu is not married to an Igbo man, Igbo woman. What else does Tinubu want again? I don't know what to understand. What is it that Tinubu is looking from an Igbo man again? Tinubu won under APC, good. Obi lose, okay. Wayo lose, Wayo Wuru lose. Let that boy go. Let the Igbos be. My brother, let me tell you, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu must come out. Because if you look at that guy, the guy is going down. Forget about how healthy he looks. Because they are jealous of Biafra does not mean injustice should be done, anytime to anybody from Southeast. We are Biafra, we are Biafra. No, nothing can change. If okay, could be that Nnamdi Kanu die now. Is there any reason Tinubu is coming up to give the Igbos? Or do you think that Igbos will sit down? You see that thing they are looking for, eh? They are looking for something. Anybody that anytime you wake up, you go to press Enos. You go to press them. You are looking for cheat to come out. If cheat fails to come, other things that will come out from there. I don't know what to understand. Now mess go come out there. Fact, allow Nnamdi Kanu to go his way. Allow Igbo man to be. The kind of tariff that we are paying at their Papa Wharf today, good. Our business is growing. We are not going down. No Igbo man is hungry. No Igbo man is down. We don't believe. No. We might be down, but we are looking up to the skies, in the stars in the skies. Allow the Igbo man to go. Come 2027, we will not vote for you. Oga, this is Igbo man for you. Come 2027, we are not voting for you. Go to your Fulani, go to your APC. Allow Nnamdi Kanu to go. This is a simple thing. What is it that you wanted? What is it? Nnamdi Kanu to kneel down and beg you? Nnamdi Kanu to come on his knee and beg you, somebody that the court has set free. He has not committed any treasonable, no, whether treasonable felony they call it, to whether any crime against man or humanity, against whatever, Nnamdi Kanu has not committed by agitating for his right. Nnamdi Kanu started this in 2014. 2014 was the real date of expiration of the contraption called Nigeria, an arrangement. 10 years ago, what is it that makes this administration under Tinubu to still be holding somebody that is innocent?
But it is not a shame, calling for renegotiation now.
Renegotiation this time around, not is so stupid now.
Nnamdi Kanu and apologize to him.
They apologize for him.
For taking the step, or maybe the federal government should have ordered the arrest of Ango Budlahi for mentioning that Nigeria should be renegotiated. We saw the position of the Northerners
under Tinubu.
Under
Tinubu administration will arrest Hausa man.
Nigeria is not negotiable.
No.
The same people coming out to say Nigeria is negotiable.
This administration under Tinubu will arrest Hausa man. Badejo, the leader of Fulani terrorists, was arrested. He did not stay there up to 1 month. Fulani shouted at them. They let him go. They are talking about arresting Ango Abdullahi. What about the man that said about the same thing 2 days ago, yesterday, and Hausa man? Same statement. What's the name of that man? He said that Nigeria has expired. Oh, what is his name? Oh my God, what am I doing with his name? So let me tell you, they can't do nothing to Hausa. They are doing you this because you are Igbo. Because you are very peaceful, you are very Republican, you are enterprising person, you are a merchant, your business is to sell and make your money. They see you as a because you don't waste blood. You love peace as an Igbo man. That's why they keep on tormenting you, disgracing you, embarrassing you. But if you are a bloodthirsty man, if anybody do it, shout, kill, as Fulanis are doing, as the Hausa doesn't know anything about life and the God that created life. Hausa is fire everywhere. That's why Tinubu administration released the minors. The minors are from the north. He released Ango Badejo. And they will never arrest anybody that is talking nonsense among the north. Look at Ndume, challenging a sitting president, a Yoruba president. Look at what Ndume said under taxation policy, added value tax. I don't know what to understand. Look at what Ndume is saying. Tinubu cannot say anything because they are Hausas. An Igbo man, they say, hey, stop killing the Igbo. So no, stop doing that. To let them call their brothers for Southeast to react. They arrested him. I don't know whether they have released that man. That man is still in jail. That is whom Yoruba is to peacemakers. Let me just generalize it. Yoruba, they don't want a peacemaker.
That king from Lagos that said, they should stop
killing, harassing Igbos and burning their shop.
But it was not. That's a fact.
No, they still hold him.
Up till now, the man has not been released.
Not released. You see it because you are a peacemaker. Yoruba want somebody. If you just do back 10 times. That's the kind of person they are. Outside where they trouble and they kill in the farm, they don't do them anything. They kill, tie a whole professor from London, tie him on the stick, finish him on the tree there. We all saw it. We made content about it. We made the news about that innocent professor killed by ordinary bloody smelling Fulani man. Igbo was annoyed. Igbo started his own. No elite in this land supported him. The you Igbos that are going your various way, you are the receiving end. God is going to judge anybody that is responsible for holding of Nnamdi Kanu. Incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu in that jail. That person, God is going to judge you, judge your generation, judge your children. You will never know peace. Cause I know him as a prayer warrior, and God has been answering him. All his enemies in the past, they don't go. I mean in Nnamdi Kanu. So anybody that is, if Igbo put hand there, I know some Igbos, they go one by one. They die one by one. Those forces holding Nnamdi Kanu currently, they must go down. Natural death is following all of them. Allow this man to go. Igwe Israel, His Royal Highness, died as a result of Biafra agitation. His wife, Nnamdi Kanu's mother, died as a result of Biafra agitation. We've seen a super cop, Abakari, a drug trafficker, a 419 man, under 1 and 4. You know why is 1 and 4? He's a police. 1, is a drug trafficker. 2, is a killer, a murder many, under sacks. 3, 4, is what? This man mingled with drug dealers. He was trafficking on drug until Marwa's NDLEA exposed him. This man went to his community, this criminal, they celebrated him. This is somebody that Nigeria said, this is our competent, bright police officer. A country that has been thriving under injustice, inhumanity, insincerity, irresponsibility. Nothing good about this place. They celebrate criminality, all manner of criminals across Nigeria. They will be celebrating you. If you kill, they will be celebrating you. Until when they find out that, look at this one, he has principle and policy, they will go after you. Nigeria is looking for trouble. Under Tinubu administration, the whole world has seen it. America has seen it. Britain has distanced themselves from Nnamdi Kanu, because they know actually that this administration is looking for something. And let me tell you, that trouble where then they look, then go see him.
Is Igbo man a peaceful nature? It's being misrepresented.
It's being
misinterpreted
to cowardice. Igbo man's peaceful nature, Republican nature, are you listening to me? Is misunderstood to cowardice. Yes. As if it's misunderstood to what? Another word again? Timidity. Timidness. They don't know it's not. How could you call somebody that's brighter than you, more educated than you? Spread all over the world than you? You call him an intimidated man or what? You are being faster than your shadow. Actually, in fact, you talk too much. And we've not seen it in action because it's only... We are not like that. Renting of houses in Lagos, we don't want Omoibo. We don't want anybody. That Omoibo, now I began to understand that Omoibo is a cause. No. That Omoibo is a cause. There's no love attached to that Omo. It started in 1967, 66, when Igbos were being annihilated all over Nigeria. Omoibo, Omoibo is a bad name. I won't rent my house to him. I don't know what I understand. And tell me, where are the houses now? How many houses you won't rent to Igbo man? Let them release Nnamdi Kanu to us. We don't make noise on the newspaper. We don't write. We mind our business. We mind what we are doing. Anybody who still hold Nnamdi Kanu, they look for trouble. And that trouble, they go see him. Because if anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu, I think I've never seen my tribe as a failed tribe or cowardly tribe since the war, inception of the war of crude oil that at least took place 67, 68, 9, and 70. Igbos has been on the limelight. Igbo has been on the top news, top publicity. I'm telling you the facts. Nnamdi Kanu should be free.
Thank you.